Hello, you are welcome to Donval FX. You are welcome to Python indicator trading results. So in this short video, I want to show you the result from past Python indicators. And of course, I don't know where you are watching me from. This is Donval, and if you have not watched my video before, you go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to Donval Versatile. There you will post different results on how to approach synthetic indices, so-called drive.com. Okay, so we have different tools, different strategies, different approaches on how to make the market, and it's on to subscribe to the system or to subscribe to our platform. That is when you get notified anytime we post a new videos. And I would like you to come up for mentorship and guide on how to approach the system strategically, because the system is too dangerous and is too profitable. But if you must make money out of the system, you must be knowledgeable, you must be very strategic. Okay, so this is Donval, in case you don't know Donval. So your man, your forex coach, your synthetic indices coach, and your digital coach as well. So we have created a premium group where sometimes we send signals and help you to grow in the system. Though my major mission in this industry is not to give you signals. My major mission is to train you, is to coach you, to teach you how to generate those signals yourself. Okay, but in such a way you can do it yourself. We can as well help you, but I'm not too steady in giving signals, but I have strategies that can give you, or that can generate good signals that will make you, or that will help you to be profitable in the system. So therefore, I recommend that you get this indicator. We call Python indicators. It will help you to catch the spikes in the boom and crash markets. In Donval Donor community, we trade more of boom and crash and volatilities, though we concentrate more on boom and crash. And of course, boom and crash is paying heavily, and we have indicators that has been proven very excellent in catching spikes that comes along in the boom and crash market. So if you're on YouTube watching me, I will leave my Telegram group below here, my WhatsApp group below here, my personal number below here, where you can chat me, contact me for mentorship. So you don't have to complain about money, because money is everywhere. So the moment you learn forex trading, you become money yourself, because that forex trading operates you forward. The synthetic indices, the area we focus on, operates you forward 247. Okay, and the money flows on the air. So forget about all this ngwafia. Don't carry goods up and down, running around looking for things. No, learn forex and make money at the comfort of your home. This is Donval. So let us go and glance into the results we just made today through the Python indicators and some other supporting strategies and all that. But Python indicator is very, very wonderful. Let us glance and see the results so far, and see what is very, very, very stubborn, very, very accurate, and very, very, very profitable indicators. We also have bots that can help you run your trade. Bot is an automated system that is designed to help you trade. In case you don't have experience in trading but you still want to make money, it's also possible with Donval. So what you do is just to chat me up, order any of the strategy, whether bot, whether custom indicators, whether phone setups, whether mentorship. So I'm ready for you. Your duty is just to make up your mind that you want to grow and you want to make money, you want to be a millionaire. So can you delete this mindset of getting job from your memory? If you can delete it totally, that is when you will succeed in the system. Don't have this attachment, I want to get job. There is no job anywhere. Even though the little job you see is a very, very threatening job, and it's a very, 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 they say, white corner job. You add more energy than you're earning. It's very, very bad. So in forex trading system, you add little energy and you earn more. You get that? So only when you get the right mentor like Donval. So can you make up your mind and me mentor you? Just give me 1 month of your time, and 1 month of your attention, and 1 month of your whatever. So let me show you another dimension of making money. So sometimes I chat you, sometimes I relate to you. I'm a very humble person and as well a very busy person. In case you chat me and I didn't reply on time, that means I'm attending to other persons. Okay, so always leave your message on WhatsApp. I don't entertain calls. You can give me voice message or WhatsApp message. Don't call me, just drop your message there. I'll attend to them as soon as possible. For some of you who have known me before now, I attend to any questions, any whatever you send on group, whether I'm online or offline. When I come online, I attend to them. So let us go to the results. You see massive results we made so far every day, every time, every day. So what you do is to join my premium group. How do you join? You pay your one-time fee of $60. That is 30,000 naira for Nigerians. And it's a must that you sign up with our donor community link. I know some of you that will be chatting me, I know you must have account before now. So if you must join my premium group for signals and mentorship, so what it requires is that you are going to forfeit that your old account. How do you forfeit it? You create another account with another email address and that of phone number. Then you'll be added. It's one of the conditions. Then you pay your training fee. It's for lifetime. So you get signals, you get mentorships and all that. Do you get that? So let us glance to the strategies I'm talking about, the results so far we get from. So look at these massive spikes. Look at the results here. We catch the spikes every day. You can see results. You see the spike, very massive. All these signals were generated through what? Python indicator stuff and all that. Do you get that? So it's Python indicator giving us these signals, and we're making massive profit. Look at dollars everywhere. So making massive profits on sniper entries, because there are some things we consider in indicators. It's not all about getting them, it's how effective, accurate and all that. And I told you before now from the back of this thing that this indicator is sold at what? $50. When you get it $50, that is 25,000 naira. You can make your money. You just can smile. You can smile, because we smile every day. We trade. Me, I don't trade every day, but each day I want to trade. You see these sniper entries, very sniper entries. Look at them. Can you see? It's from Python indicators. What you do, some of you make this mistake of trading without tools. You cannot survive. You cannot succeed. There's no smartness. You must equip yourself, because trading boom and crash market, synthetic indices in general, is a very strategic system that requires a strategic approach. And that strategic approach can come as a indicators. It can come as your main ideology based on the price actions. But I think as a beginner, you get it more soft when you use indicators. No indicator is 100% as well, depending on how you understood them, and that's why you need what? Right mentor to give you the necessary directives on how to go about whatever tools you have. Okay, and that is the sense of subscribing to our mentorship group, so that when you get, so anytime, sometimes when you get tools from me, I will just give you a guide on how the tools work. Some of the intent deep questions that is outside what I've sold to you may not be attended in details, because I do respond more in details to some of my major students. So I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, join the Donval donor communities, where we share ideas with the community of traders, learned ones and already mentored ones, and including me. Everybody is there sharing ideas. So if any business you are doing, so the first priority is, after getting your mentor, make friends. That is, make some of your friends must be those that is within the system you are pushing. Don't just be trading forex and you have all your tight friends are keke drivers. So there's no way you grow, because most of the languages will not impact anything positively to your mental growth. Okay, so get us as a friend, get us as a mentor, join the donor community, and you will receive massive results. Yes, if I keep scrolling, that is how the result has been going. Sniper entries. So congratulations, welcome. This is Donval, your forex coach. We remain number one, and we'll give you that guide. What do you do? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that when I post a video, you will get to know about that. And stay focused. Don't complain. Stay focused. Stay determined that you must be rich through this system. Since some of us are still in the system making money, you too can. Because how do you know that you will be rich? Whenever you are working with industry that is rich, it will only take you small time to be rich as well. So forex is a multi-trillion industry. There is too much money on air. Stop doing this in Guafia and carrying goods up and down, running around. Some of you make this mistake of pursuing money. Money is not anywhere. Money is on the air. Okay, so get yourself acquainted with the system and follow the trusted process, which is Donval. Thank you and congratulations. Bye for now. Congratulations. You are welcome to my group.